Good day everyone, my name is Johanna Miabosejo and I will be discussing to you the interacting with history through historical shrine and museum. So we have all done discussed ways to study the past through the available sources that we had. But to do more research about it, we can learn more about our nation and our history. But naay kaning ga-exist nga venues nga mas ma-evaluate bitaw nato nga ang atong nabasa sa book kay sakto di ay mo ni siya ang historical shrine and museum. Pag mo visit ta dira sa historical shrine and museum, nay mga artifacts or mga object. For example, the World War II. Nay mga rifles dira or the Filipino clothes of our heroes, Filipino hero. By just looking through the object, makakwenta nga, ay, tinuod di ay nga, nahitabo to siya or nahitabo na siya kay naamay kining proof. But before ka mo visit in the historical shrine and museum, it is essential to do a background reading on the place you will visit so that you may know what to expect and you can situate the importance of the place you will visiting. For example, if mo visit ka sa Rizal Shrine in Calamba, Laguna, mas nice siya if mag-read ka in advance sa early life ni Dr. Jose Rizal kay mas matagan bitaw nimo siya og importance. And historical shrine and museum, the first thing you must do is look for the historical marker. Kini nga marker ga provide og details kung unsa ba gyud ang gihimo para tawagon og historical ang usa ka site. In conclusion, historical shrine and museum are very important to us. They help us to remember and learn from the past. We can see old artifacts, pictures, and stories that shows how life was long ago. This teaches us about our culture, tradition, and heritage. And by visiting these places, we can appreciate how far we've come and also the sacrifices of our ancestors. They also inspired us to build a better future. Preserving historical shrine and museum is crucial for our collective identity and shared human experiences. That would be all. Thank you.